In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find memory-hungry tabs in Google Chrome so you can quickly spot which tabs are slowing your browser down. This is a super useful trick if Chrome feels laggy, your computer is getting overloaded, or you always have too many tabs open at once. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn on Chrome's tab memory usage feature and use it to identify which tabs are consuming the most resources. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its settings and customization options. From the menu, click Settings. That will open the Chrome settings page. On the left side or in the settings categories, click Appearance. This section controls how Chrome looks and some of the visual features you can enable. Now scroll down through the appearance settings until you find Tab Hover Preview Card. This is the area where Chrome lets you control what appears when you hover over a tab. Here, look for the option that says Show Tab Memory Usage. Go ahead and enable that option. Once it's turned on, Chrome will start displaying memory usage information when you hover your mouse over a tab at the top of the browser. Now go back to your tabs and move your mouse over any tab from the top. You'll see a preview card that shows how much memory that tab is using you. This makes it much easier to identify memory-hungry tabs that may be slowing everything down. If you notice one tab using a lot more memory than the others, you can decide whether to refresh it, close it, or keep it open if you still need it. This is especially helpful if you work with lots of browser tabs, stream content, do research, or leave heavy websites open in the background. Instead of guessing which tab is causing performance issues, Chrome gives you a simple way to check. And that's it. You now know how to find memory-hungry tabs in Chrome using the Tab Memory Usage feature. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful browser tips, software tutorials, and productivity tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.